Hi children, how are you? The last class we started our second lesson, microorganisms friend and foe. I hope you all are read the textbook carefully. Do you read? Yes. In first class we learned about microorganisms. What is microorganisms? Some of the living organisms we can't see with our naked eye. We can see with the help of microscope. And microorganisms, some of the microorganisms very helpful. Some of them are very harmful to us. Today we are going to study about some of the uses of microorganisms. The first one is the commercial use of microorganism. Microorganisms are used in large scale production of acetic acid. What is acetic acid? Vinegar, then wine, then alcohol, etc. Microorganisms are used in large scale production of vinegar or acetic acid, then alcohol and wine. We already learned yeast is one type of microorganism, and yeast is used for the production of alcohol. The yeast is used for the production of alcohol. Then yeast is added in the sugar solution. It is converted into alcohol. Your textbook have one activity. Take one beaker and fill with some water and dissolve 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar and add half spoon of yeast, and after 4 to 5 hours we can get the smell of alcohol. Sugar has been converted into alcohol by the yeast. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. The process is called fermentation. What is fermentation? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. What is fermentation? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the yeast is called fermentation. Then do you know who has discovered the fermentation process? Yes, Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation process. Louis Pasteur discovered the fermentation process. What is fermentation? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. And who has discovered fermentation process? Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation process in 1857. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation process in 1857. Okay, the first use of microorganism is commercial use of microorganism. Commercial use. The second one is some of the microorganisms can be used for the production of medicine and the medicinal uses of microorganism. If you have a fever, that time your doctor prescribes some antibiotics. Antibiotic. These antibiotics are prepared from some of the bacteria and fungi. What is antibiotic? Some of the medicines can be prepared from the microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. And these medicines can kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. And these medicines are called antibiotics. What is antibiotics? The medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganisms are called antibiotics. Okay. Whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets or injections such as penicillin. Do you know the first antibiotic name? First antibiotic? Penicillin. First antibiotic? Penicillin. And who has discovered the antibiotic? First antibiotic penicillin? Yes, Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic penicillin. First antibiotic name penicillin. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Nowadays, several antibiotics can be used for various diseases such as streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. These are the antibiotics. Okay. Streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin are some of the antibiotics which are prepared from microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial infection in animals. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check the microbial infection. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check the microbial infection in animals. And they are also used to control the plant disease. And they are also used to control many plant disease. Do you understand antibiotic? What is antibiotic? Antibiotics are medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganism. First antibiotic is penicillin. Who was discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Okay. It is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only the advice of a qualified doctor. And also you must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. Antibiotics taken unnecessarily, it may kill the beneficial bacteria in our body. And antibiotics, however, are not effective in some disease like cold, flu, etc. because these diseases are caused by viruses. These diseases are caused by viruses. What is antibiotics? Some of the medicines which can be prepared from microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. So, these antibiotics not effective in some of the disease like cold, flu, etc. because these diseases are caused by viruses. Okay. So, antibiotics are not useful in viral diseases. Polio, chickenpox, and nowadays corona. These antibiotics are not effective in these viral diseases. So, these diseases are controlled by vaccination. Let us study about vaccine. Vaccine. What is vaccine or vaccination? When a disease carrying microbes enters our body, the body produces some antibodies to fight the invader. The body also remembers how to fight the invader if it enters again. So, if there are weakened microorganisms to inject in our body, the body produces some antibodies to fight the invader. So, if dead or weakened microorganisms it inject in a healthy person, the body kill or stop the growth of these invader and producing antibodies. The antibodies remain in our body and protect from the disease causing microbes. This is how vaccine works. Some of the disease like cholera, chickenpox and nowadays corona, they can be prevented by this vaccination. And do you know who was discovered the vaccination? Edward Jenner. Who was discovered the vaccination? Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner discovered the vaccination. Who was discovered? Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner discovered the vaccination. Covaxin, Covishield, then Sputnik vaccine. These are the examples of some vaccine. So, vaccine, the vaccine also produce some antibodies in our body. So, we can protect some virus disease, viral disease like cholera, polio, then corona, etc. So, nowadays, we can clear with some vaccine, Covaxin, Sputnik vaccine and Covishield, etc. So, these vaccines protect from various viral diseases. So, dear children, today we learn some uses of microorganism. Commercial use, medicinal use, the last one vaccination. Do you understand, dear children? Can you follow me? I hope you understood this portion very well. The next class we will discuss the next portion. Everybody should read the textbook carefully and write the notes well and also study well. If you have any doubt, you call me. The next class we will meet again. Okay, dear children. Thank you. Bye.